Okay, so here we are back in Photoshop, and I have a finished design that uses positive and negative shapes and uses some of the selection tools and the shape tools. Please notice the negative space here is as interesting as the positive. I know this is kind of a little scary image, but the word I was communicating was safety. And notice how safe this little circle is in this area here. So what I would like to show you is how to save your documents. So please go under File, Save. Where it says Format, you definitely want to save all of your documents as Photoshop documents, PSDs. Okay, and then obviously you can navigate through and decide where you would like to save them. I would make a folder somewhere on your computer. I'm going to put mine on my desktop and title this Design 1. Create and save. Now you want to save them as PSDs because that saves all of the layers here. If you ever want to go back and make changes, you have all the layers here. Now you're also going to save this as I'm going to do a file save. You're going to save it as a JPEG. To save as a JPEG, go under the Format menu and select JPEG. When you select JPEG, this flattens the layers. It means that it's a smaller file size. So you're going to, this is fine, click OK. And now notice right here, this is still a PSD, but if I do a file open, and I open the PSD, notice there are no layers. So if I want to make changes, it's going to be a lot more difficult. I can do it, but it'll be a lot more difficult than working with the PSD. So the JPEG is what I want you to put on the server. Please save the JPEGs, put the JPEGs on the server. Please, what I didn't tell you is to make sure you use your name and then the title of the assignment. So you could just write, I could write Melissa Shapes and then save it as a JPEG and put that on the server.